Alright, quick video. Just want to show you guys why I love this Pak Choy so much. Wow, look at aloe vera. We eat aloe vera. Do y'all eat aloe vera? Who eats aloe? Look at all that growing down there. And that's a couple of avocado trees. Very nice. Alright, so this is why I like these Pak Choy. Look, we got a lot of rain last night. It filled that container up halfway in just a few hours. So these got pummeled by the rain coming down. See, laying down flat. It just got hammered by like hours of rain. But look at the Pak Choy. Still standing up. That's why I love growing it. And look at that. It's only been a couple of days. Look how big those guys are already. You see all of them? They all survived the storm, but they didn't. They got squashed. So we're gonna let these go. We'll see if we get a couple days of sunlight, if they'll kind of perk back up. But yeah, they got beat up last night. Let's see up there. We're getting the sun. See how big those guys are already. So those get the most sun. Somebody was asking for the progression. Sun comes up from that direction, comes up this way, and then goes down behind those trees. So you can see we got a lot of trees. So this gets a lot of sun. What I do is I set it here because this, you can see it's not quite as big, and these don't get as much sun, so they're a little bit smaller. So hopefully, I don't eat Pak Choy every day. This one will get big enough to harvest, and then we'll move on to this one. And if we need to, we'll move that one up. We'll move everything up a little, and we'll plant new ones on the bottom and keep rotating them like that. Cool. One thing, let's see, I think we used the little piece of mat. You can see right there it fell in. So a couple of them stayed in if they were tight enough. You know, this is the first time we used them. Worked good there. I can see a couple of them fell in already. So I'm gonna have to fix that one. And, well, that one's down there. Here's a couple of them we gotta fix. Like that one right there. So I gotta go through and fix a few of those. Alright, y'all keep on growing. I'll keep you posted. Alright, don't forget, live to inspire. Keep on growing. I love y'all. Peace.